Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete a product from your Shopify store. Right, so here you can see this is my Shopify store and there are two products and I want to delete this shirt product, right? So how I can do it? So I'll just go to into my Shopify. This is my home page of Shopify, right? So once you're here, you have to go to the product section. Once you're here into the product section, it will show you all the products, right? So just go to the active one. Active ones means those products which is shown over your store, right? If some of the products are in draft, then it will show you the draft one which is not shown over your store. It is half incomplete, right? So here I will just go and select my shirt here, right? And if I select here, I will get this option of delete product, right? So one method is to delete a product is from here. By the way, if you don't want to delete this product, you can also archive this product. Archive this product means it will not show over your store, neither it will show over your products. By the way, in future if you want to bring that product, so you can just bring that product, right? If you archive it. And the first method which I shown you, which is very easy, you can just delete it and it will get deleted. And the second method is just select this one, and once you select this, click on the three dots, and here there is a second option which is called delete product, and I can just delete. So this is useful when I have too many products I want to delete at once. I can do it, right? So this is it, and once I refresh my website, and here you can see that shirt product is gone. So this is how you can delete a product over your Shopify. I hope you found this video very useful. If you did, subscribe.